Once again, we are back online, and today we got the patch 186 update on the official server where the new epic hero Shahtor is available, which is the Chaos Mage, and I think he is gonna be another OP hero like Anna. So let us just check the official trailer of Shahtor, and here it is.
Everyone in the world is living to die. New adventure, new legend.
Okay, so before we just move to the trailer or the review of the skills of Sartor, I would like to show you the another Chaos Mage Anna's power. So here is a friendly battle where I did put Anna, and here see her power. It's actually going 4 versus 1. See. Anna is actually alone destroyed the opponent team.
Game over.
So here is the new mage, Chaos Mage, Shahjor. Let us just check its skills. So here we can see his first skill, the Feral Phantom of Apep. It just reminds me of a fictional stone Orochimaru, but just see, wow! I mean, it's a full screen skill. Okay, so here is the Sartors, unless it's Apep. Apep means the snake upon the enemies nearby to deal damage equal to 250% attack, absorbing 1% of their attack every 0.6 second for a short time afterwards. Okay, so basically this Feral Phantom of Apep is stealing attacks from damage from enemy. Okay, so here just check us the skill once again. Is just smashing its head and stealing damage. Okay, so at the level 3 we can see the damage dealt by the Apep after absorbing attacks is increased to 200%, which was 160% at the level 1. Okay, so here is the second skill, Corruptive Touch. Let us check the skill once again. It just so throwing its snakes to the enemy, and again it's absorbing some kind of damage or whatever. Just let us check it. Over 3 seconds, Sartors absorbs attacks continuously from the unit with the highest attack on the field. Okay, so enemies heights, so highest powered enemy is being targeted, and Sartor is absorbing highest power enemies attack. Like at the level 3, okay, here is something different. At level 2, each instance of attack absorbed is boosted to 2.5%. Level 3 stun the target for the skill's duration. So, and level 4 is the each instance of attack absorbed is boosted to 3%. So basically Shator at the high level is absorbing and also stunning the enemy, making the targeted enemy unavailable to perform anything. Here it is. It's a nice debuff indeed. Okay, so here is the level 3, which is the Shadow Fang, which can be upgraded to level 3. And as I can see in the animation, it can target multiple attacks. So let us just check the skill details. Shator's basic attacks is replaced with Shadow Fang that deals damage to nearest enemies equal to 220% attack. Okay. And at the level 3, Shadow Fang's damage is increased to 280% attack. Okay. So basically it's a damage skill. So after absorbing damage from the enemy, targeting the highest attack powered enemy, it's gonna unleash the damage on the nearest two enemies. Great. Now let us check the fourth skill, which is the Plasmaphus form. No demonstration on current skill. Why? Because it's a passive. Okay, so let us just check the details, skill details. For every attack bonus gained equal to 1% of his attack, Shator gains an extra 0.3% damage increased to a max of 75% in total. And in the level 3, damage increase is boosted to 0.5% for every 1% attack. So basically, Shator is a good hero definitely for the normal PvP or PvE, and also I think it gonna change the dynamic of guild war. GBR, Guild Boss Rush, with his two absorbing power from the enemy, and then she unleashes the power which he has already gained from the enemy. So here he is. We are just waiting for it to be launched on the 23rd of July on the official server. Till then, stay tuned.